I knew I could find you here. Good for you. Come on, let's go. We need to take you somewhere to help you with your addiction. I don't do it because I'm addicted. Never have, really. Then why? I do it to suppress. Don't ask me what I'm suppressing.